Hey mom, okay, so I've just logged into your account. You should have already, I'm pretty sure you've already been to this page. This is just your announcements page. But if you scroll down, if this is like this, there's this little arrow here, you click on it and you can expand it. And this is pretty much essentially your La Lima. So what you want to do is you want to go to textbooks. You click on that, and you have two different things here. So it looks like you have a vital source user guide, and then you have your history of Roman people. I'm not sure which book you're required to be reading for your test, but I'm pretty sure it would be the history of Roman people. So it says that a pop-up blocker has prevented content from opening up. And so I'm just going to click launch content. So I'm just doing it manually because I have a block up popper on my computer, and I'm pretty sure you do as well. So now this is the book, and it says that this has cookies, so I'm going to say okay, I'm going to accept it and I'm going to close it. Now we have a couple of things on the left hand corner of your screen that you'll notice. So if you click on table of contents, this is really cool because it pretty much gives you every single chapter, and there's quite a few different chapters. But this is the book cover here. If I click on this is the book cover. This is the title page. I think the table of contents page is probably the most helpful because it will give you all of this information on all of the different chapters and subchapters. Now the super cool thing about this is that, let's say you have a test on, I don't know, maybe chapter 5, but maybe it's specifically the early form of the Republic. You can actually click on the early form of the Republic and it will take you right to that page. So I would utilize this a lot, just because a table of contents is a lot easier to navigate and find the different pages that you need to get to. So I hope this video helps in explaining a little bit more about how to use your textbook and this feature. I'm going to send this off to you, and hopefully Dad can help you as well. If you have any questions, there's a bunch of different things here, like you can have the book read out loud to you, you can do flashcards and stuff, but I think that's kind of, up to you. I don't think it's super necessary. The really big thing is just to click on these kind of 3 dots and 3 lines. That will help you to navigate the textbook. Okay, bye!